Welcome to Everyday Mathematics. Today, problem 7 of the MIT Integration B qualifying exam 2012 is our problem of focus, and that is the definite integral from x equals to a quarter to x equals a half of the floor function of the natural logarithm of the floor function of 1 over x. So this is actually a very cool problem. So let's see how we can solve it. So our problem is the definite integral from quarter to a half of the floor function of the natural logarithm of the floor function of x, right? So the first question is, what is the floor function? Right? So if you have a variable x that is greater or equal than x and less than k plus 1, then it means that the floor function of x, or of that variable x, in this interval is equals to k. So this is what it means, and that is the basis from which we are going to solve this problem. So we definitely have x greater or equal than a quarter. This is the interval for which we need to solve this problem. That means now the inverse, right? If we get the reciprocal, 1 over x is less or equal than 4, equal than 2. Therefore, we do have two subintervals. So we do have the interval for which and then right, and in this interval equals to 2, and here equals to 3, right? Then if we are to plot our graph, and we have on the vertical axis and x here, and we have a quarter, we have a third, and we have a half. In this interval here, between a quarter and a third, that's what our value of floor function of 1 over x will be equal, and then within this interval we're going to have that. Okay, now we already have that, so it means that our integral from a quarter to a half of the floor function of natural logarithm of that is equal to the floor function, the integral from a quarter to a third of the floor function of log 3, natural logarithm 3, right, plus floor function of log 2, right? And what that means is that obviously we have that strip, and we have that strip there. Log of 3 floor function is going to be equal to the integer less than the value of log 3, and this will go to 1. Now natural logarithm of 2, the integer less than natural logarithm of 2 is 0. So this is going to be 0. And that means that our value now is 1 times the width of our strip is going to be equal to 1/3 minus 1/4, right? Which is equals to common multiple, the LCM, the lowest common multiple is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. And ladies and gentlemen, that is our answer, 1/12. So it's a very interesting problem. Okay.